In this video tutorial, we will look at the different features available in the Level 3 Ecodesign database. The Level 3 Ecodesign database contains detailed ecodata such as restricted substances risk indicators as well as geoeconomic data. So let's open the Level 3 Ecodesign database in the Advanced section. Note that in this database you have access to the Enhanced Eco Audit tool and the Synthesizer tool. These tools are described in detail in separate video tutorials. On the home page, we have the possibility to choose between different tables and subsets. We can see that the Material Universe table is selected. Let's choose the All Material subset and browse to a record. For example, we can look for a wrought aluminum alloy of the 7000 series. Let's choose 7075 in the T6 condition. As you can see, the layout of the record is very similar to the Level 3 records. However, as we scroll down, we can see that it includes much more eco-data. First, there is a section with healthcare and food and restricted substances risk indicators. The first attribute here indicates whether the material complies with the European Restriction on Hazardous Substances legislation. If we want to find out more about this, then we can click on the eye icon next to the property to obtain a definition. We then have two toxicity ratings, REACH and SYN. Below this, we can see if the material contains more than 5 weight% of critical elements or not. Scrolling down, there is information about the embodied energy, the CO2 footprint, and the water usage for primary production and processing. We also have information about material recycling and end of life, including notes on possible substitutes for the material. Further down, there is a section with geoeconomic data, including annual world production and the main mining areas. Finally, at the bottom of the record, you can access different links, for example, to the references used to compile this data. In the following video tutorials, you can learn about the different tools that are included in Level 3 Ecodesign, such as the Enhanced Eco Audit tool and the Synthesizer tool.